What's up, lemons? Welcome to the Lemon Crew, and in today's video I'm doing another COVID safe Halloween costume. I've already done one of these videos and I'm going to try and do them the whole of October, but I'll see how many ideas I can get through because I've already tried one and it looked awful, so I gave up. But yeah, this one is going to be zombie nurse doctor thing. I don't know, I just thought it'd be kind of cool with the mask and like a zombie at the top. I don't know, we're going with this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is hairspray all these wispies out my face, just so, you know, I don't get liquid latex stuck in my wispies. I kind of wanted to do COVID safe Halloween-y costumes because, like, even if Halloween is cancelled, some people can wear Halloween costumes to work like me. So I thought, why not include a mask because it's mandatory to wear one to work. But the first thing I'm gonna do is draw a line here so I know like where I need to make sure I cover. Just gonna use this creamy colour. I'll pull it down just to get roughly as low as the mask will probably ever be for me because I like to have it quite high. So we have this line now so you can see where we're gonna end it off. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, get the cotton pads. Don't have cotton wool on me, so we're just gonna pull them apart, get all the wispies, collect them all in a little tub, just so you get weird texture-y. Something to give your skin texture. Literally can be tissue ripped apart, cotton wool, anything. Anything safe for your skin, we'll say. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do for Halloween at work because I don't even know if I'm working that day. If I am, I'm gonna look so great. So I don't know how that's gonna work if they're gonna even let us because of masks, but like I can dress up around a mask. This. Also, don't have COVID, just a cold, and I've been a bit behind on my pre-recordings because of it, so I'm also really behind on the gaming channel, but like I think I'm just gonna give up on that for a while and then see where we're at from there. But right now, backseat. So I literally didn't even say anything about the fact that I'm now starting with the latex, but yeah, here you go, sorry about that. Alright, I'll just show you in a little patch on my forehead for now. Because some people might be new to latex for this Halloween, because I've seen like actual like shops selling like latex. Like that's crazy. I like the little tiny balls. Which to be honest is how I started last year. When I first used latex. I bought like Halloween-y little tiny balls. Okay, so you put layer of latex, layer of your texture-y stuff, latex over the top, and like pull it around. You do not need to be tidy, this is zombie-dom. It's not like, ooh, I have a broken nose, let's... Because I can't do that sort of look. And I'm also going to try and avoid my eyebrows because I really do not want to rip them out because I feel like that will be a nightmare, so we're avoiding them. And just do this as like messy or as clean as you want, depends on the look you are going for. Okay, that is not fun. Yeah, really try and keep latex away from your eye. It's not gone in, but it's gone like underneath and it's so uncomfortable. Okay, so I didn't say, but you do this all over your face in the areas that can be seen not under the mask, or if you're going to do your whole face without a mask, all over your face. But yeah, just try your best not to get it in your hair. I already have, even though I tried to get it all out the way. It's also really dark now. Sunlight's going in and out of clouds, so if it ever gets really dark or really bright, I'm trying and I'm sorry. But yeah, if you've never used latex before, make sure you do a patch test before putting it onto your face. Okay, so I'm just going to speed through all this because it's not super interesting. You already know the technique. I don't say anything interesting, and yeah, you just get the idea from that. Because for some reason I did record for over an hour, so I had to cut down over an hour footage into roughly under 20 minutes. Another thing that I didn't point out is I made a lip under my eye, so I made it stand out further than my skin so I could make my eye look further sunken back than it actually is. But like, you know. Right, let's move on to the other side. It's been ages. You get the idea. I'm just gonna turn the camera off to do this because it takes so long. Okay, so this is the point we're currently at. Kinda look like a knockoff superhero of some sort. Let me check with a mask. It's gonna stick, I know. Now it's just kind of getting the colour on there. So I just cut part of the sponge off and use that to put the colour onto my skin to give it more texture, which I do in a while. I don't know why I cut it off so soon. These colours, which I got from a Halloween shop, they're pretty useful. First thing I actually need to do is powder. Once this is dried, but like I do not care. So we're gonna get some powder into the lid. And then set it on. You could do this where you merge the mask into the face, but I don't know, I kinda wanna see what it looks like over the top. Okay, right now, I'm trying to think of the colours I wanna use. I think I'm going to use foundation to start off with. I'm using another one of these crappy sponges. Yeah. Just to get some sort of real colour on. I'm going to go over my eyebrows too. I haven't actually seen anyone do anything towards COVID with Halloween yet. They could have been, but yeah, like I said, I don't really use YouTube. And plus I've done these in like September. It's like end of September at this point. But yeah, I just so I'm not copying anyone's videos currently that I know of. I haven't seen any, so this is my own original idea. You can probably do it better. And if you do, why don't you tag me on Instagram? I'm curious to see. Just a lemon crew whitey. Now, what I want to do is take a brush with black on it. With some black on it. Just fill in all the like deep spots. Give it some depth. Obviously go in the dark circles. So like I said, this is a zombie, so they always have like dark deep set eyes, but also as a doctor, in my head, doctors are always tired because of how much work they do. I don't really have that many deep spots, and I'm also distracted because I completely stopped doing this. But yeah, this is the final look. Get this and like pat it out with the foundation on it still. It looks so... Okay, but like this could be a look. I look like... What? I look like a skeleton of some sort, like kind of dead. This is a look. Alright, now onto some colours. I'm gonna get some yellow. Yeah, yellow first. And the same gross sponge. Because if you use the same sponge, then everything just kind of blends together a bit. Because, you know, gross. So this yellow is like kind of close to my skin tone. Not really. It's like close enough that like this is subtle. If I go overboard, I can just add more foundation and everything will be fine. I've been filming for like so long. And now, this is scary. Okay, so I got the green. I'm gonna add a bit of purple, not much, just a little, and some grey. It's also getting so dark. Oh. Right, this sponge is so dirty. Go with grey. Don't know if I'm gonna add any more colours after grey, but maybe a tiny bit of foundation. Okay, so I just realised I managed to change the entire shape of my nose by doing this. So I'm gonna mix up some red blood and this green zombie slime to make a brownie colour as well. Okay, so mixed in a bit. I'm gonna get some here. Here, because I've apparently broken my nose. Once again, it's getting so freaking dark. I'm gonna leave it there because I feel like I will go so overboard. Okay, so this is now what it looks like. End off here. Sorry about all the noise and disruptions. Yeah, let's take this off. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. You know the drill, cause it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy.